MashaAllah. That is excellent, brother. Now we come to read the examples and then make your sentences according to that example, using the words between the brackets. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, if you remember, we did in lesson number 1, whenever there is a and comes, there are two things we are asking about. Are you with me? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. There is a and there is the So we have two things that we are asking. One has to come here and one has to come after Okay? Darabta, if I say to you, Darabta means you hit. Did you hit Muhammad or did you hit Hamid? So we are two people we are asking about. So Darabta is a verb. Can we ask the question? What and whom? Darabta, what, whom? Okay, with whom it matches. Whom did you hit? So that will be our maf'ulun bihi. If we know one person or if we are asking for one person, then I would say, Adarabta Muhammadan. Adarabta Muhammadan. Did you hit Muhammad? Are you with me? Okay. But if there is a Hamid also, I don't know whom you hit. So what will I say now? Two people. Muhammadan and Hamidan. So how will it start with? Muhammadan Darabta Hamidan. Any other way will be wrong. Are you with me, brother? Muhammadan Darabta Hamidan. Ask question to Daraba. Ask our favorite question. What do we ask the verb in order to find out whether it is transitive or intransitive? What and whom? Is what or whom? By asking the question, do we get a proper answer? Yes. So it means it is transitive. And if it is transitive, then we have maf'ulun bihi. Okay? In Arabic, transitive means muta'addi. But we will get used to it, inshallah, slowly. And intransitive is lazim. So Sister Mainaz, is daraba transitive or intransitive? So then we should have a maf'ulun bihi. And maf'ulun bihi will always be mansoob. Are you with me? So this is one example. See, because it is a jumla failure, now we are getting a maf'ulun bihi. Min al-yabani anta am min as-sini. Are you with me? What did I say? Min al-yabani anta am min as-sini. What is the translation? In English we will say, are you from Japan or? But in Arabic we have to separate them. Okay? Am min al-yabani anta or anti am min as-sini. Got the idea? Now we have a jumla failure. Now if jumla failure has maf'ulun bihi, then two of them will be separate. Am Muhammadan darabta am Hamidan. Got the idea? This is what we have to do here, and I would like you to do it properly and write them at home, brothers and sisters. Now, ra'aita. What is the meaning of ra'aita? You saw. Ra'ai, fi'al, where is the file? Tar, mashallah. Now, brother, did you see Muhammad or Hamid? How will you separate it? Muhammadan ra'aita am Hamidan. This will be your purest Arabic way of saying. Most eloquent way of saying. Inshallah. Now you took 2 books. So again, brother and sister, underline Muhammad and underline Hamid so that you know these 2 were separated. You understand? This requires, in this case, it requires thinking. You have to think. Okay, these are the 2 things we were asked and they have been separated. Now there are 2 things we are asking you. Which book did you pick up? Akhadha is to take. Akhasta or akhasti. Doesn't matter. You took. Either it is ta for masculine or it is ti for feminine. Akhaz is your verb and ti or ta will be your file. Which book did you take? Did you take a Kitab al-Fiqh or Kitab al-Sirati? Book of Fiqh or Book of Sirah? Which one did you take? How will you ask now? A Kitab al-Fiqhi akhasti am Kitab al-Sirati? Are you with me? Kitab al-Sirati. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Separated them we. Underline them, brothers and sisters. So that we understand when you are revising, you will try to understand it. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Now comes our test. We have the verbs and nouns in the bracket. So what is it, the first one? Darab. Now you can make it darabti or darabta. It won't make any difference. So if it is darabta or darabti, what will happen to Abbas? Abbasan. And what will happen to Mahmud? Mahmudan. So we have to separate. How will you separate? Abbasan darabta am Mahmudan. Got the idea? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Excellent. Now, Sharibta or ti, doesn't matter. Okay? But Asir al-Burtukali or Asir al-Inabi. Asir al-Burtukal, what is the meaning of that? Orange juice. And Asir al-Inab, grape juice. Fine. So how will you separate them? And how will you form a sentence? Asir al-Burtukali Sharibta or ti am Asir al-Inabi. MashaAllah. You got the idea. Very good, brother. Now, Ra'aytum, you saw. Antum. What did you see? Did you see Sayara of Mudira or Sayara of Mudarris? How will you say now? Sayaratal Mudiri Ra'aytum am Sayaratal Mudarrisi. See, separate them. Got the idea? It's easy. But writing will make you strong. And if you notice, Darabta is transitive, Sharibta is transitive, Ra'aytum is transitive. Brother? Karatunna. Now this is definitely a question asked to sisters. Antunna. Karatunna. Okay. What did you read, sisters? Hadhil majallata am tilka. So how will you form a sentence? Ahadhil majallata karatunna am tilka. Got the idea, Brother Hassan? It's easy, brother. Requires little thinking, separating them together. One after Hamzatul Istifham, the other after am, inshallah. Okay, akhasta or ti, doesn't matter. Miftah al-bayti, miftah al-sayati. See, all of them are coming as mafulun bihi. All these verbs are you with me? They are transitive. Very good, brother. So what will you say? Miftah al-bayti, akhasta or ti, am Miftah Sayarati. Did you take the house key or did you take the car key? Huh? Are you with me? But in Arabic, we will separate them. Miftah al-bayti akhasta am miftah sayarati. Inshallah. So this is not difficult, but requires little thinking. Any other way will be incorrect. Okay, fine. Ta'allam, learn. Ta'allam al-kalimatil atiyata. Okay, learn this, brother. Now this is, we say in English, 1/3, 1/4, 5th, 8th, 10th part. In Arabic, how do you say? Nisfun, half. Thuluthun, 1/3. Rub'un, Khumsun, Sudusun. Put a dhamma there if it is missing there. Sudusun, Sub'un, Thumnun, Tus'un, Ushrun. Now, brother and sister, this is on a pattern of Fu'ulun. But Fu'ulun only appears in Sulusun and Sudusun. That Dhamma only appears in the Ain Kalima in this. In the rest, the pattern is this, but instead of Dhamma, Sukun is put for the ease of pronunciation. Are you with me, brother? Instead of saying, brother and sister, instead of saying Nisufun, we say Nisfun. Instead of saying Rubu'un, we say Rubu'un. But the pattern is Fu'ulun. Now this, inshallah, you will keep it in mind. I'm sure when you will read it, it will click to you. Okay? Thuluthun, 1/3. Suduthun, 1/6. Ushrun, 1/10. Fine. Brother, that's it. Now, Kawin Jumalan Mustamilan Kalimatil Atiyata. We have to form simple sentences. Can I leave this homework to you to do it at home? Make a simple sentence. Brothers and sisters, life is already very complicated. Don't make it too complicated by making complicated sentences. Make simple sentence. I'll give you an example. Dakhala Muhammadun masjida. Or Dakhala talibul fasla. Dakhala al-mudarrisu fasla. Dakhala al-mudiru al-fasla. Mafulun bihi. Okay? And then Bahatha, I told you, an will come. Bahastu an qalami. I have Bahastu an qalami. I searched, past tense, searched for my pen. So Bahastu an, or you can Bahatha Muhammadun an qalamihi. Al-usbu' al-madi. Last week. Zahabna ila Montreal. Al-usbu' al-madi. What is the translation? We went to, or you can say Zahabtu, mashallah. Al-barihata. Means yesterday. Ja'a abi min Makkata al-barihata. My father came from Makkah last evening. Are you with me? Make simple, inshallah. Ziyaratun. Zahabna li ziyarati sadiqina. We went to visit our friend, and you can put al-barihata. So here, both things will come, inshallah. Zu Muhammadun talibun zu khulukin. Muhammad is a well-mannered student. And if you want to say Zatu, then you will say Aminatu Talibatun Zatu Khulukin. Amina is a well-mannered student. Are you with me? Inshallah. Nisfun. Okay. Akaltu nisfa dajaj. What did you say? Akaltu, I ate. What did you eat? Nisfa dajajatin. Half of the chicken. Nisfa dajajatin. I ate half chicken. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Man, inshallah. Now, al-kalimatul jadidatu. Miknasatun. Jama makanisu. What is the pattern of makanisu? Mafa'ilu. Remember that pattern. It's a very important pattern. Mafa'ilu. Mafa'ilu. Masajidu. Very good. Very important pattern, brother. And makanisu. Always when you come across this pattern, remember in your mind, mafa'il or masajid, one thing, okay, inshallah. Sullamun. Same thing, salalimu. Are you with me? Salalimu. Manaratun. Again, same thing, manairu. Are you with me? Look at the pattern. Nazaratun. Nazaratun. What is the jama? Nazaratun. Okay. Nazaratun. Ajalatun. Ajalun. Ajalatun. Ajalun is your jama. Brother? Lihyatun. That is the beard. What is the jama? Liha. You won't say lihan, but you will say liha. Inshallah. Suratun, suwarun. Are you with me? Write down next to it, brother. Suratun with seen. This is suratun with swad. Suratun. Picture. Write down with seen. Suratun. Next to it. What is the suratun? Chapter of the Quran. So what will be the plural of suratun? Suwarun. What will be it? Suwarun. Chapters. Suwarun. Same thing. Suwarun. No. The swad, with swad is picture. And with seen is the chapter of the Quran. Surah of the Quran. Why I am telling you this, brother? So that you have one extra vocab in your pocket. Okay? Fine. Iza'atun. Radio station. Jama. Iza'atun. Brother, what is Iza'atun? Jama. Muannas. Salim. You will always say atun. You will open your mouth for laddu. Are you with me? You didn't get it. Okay. Fine. Alin. Now what is alin, brother? It is like galin. Remember? Alin. Okay. We will learn this. What is muannas? Aliyatun. Remember galin? What is muannas galin? Ghaliyatun. Same way. We are going to learn in book 3 all these nouns, Okay, brother? Sabunun. What is sabunun? Ailafule soap. Or maybe you are using some very special one. Okay? Al-barihata. What is al-barihata? Zarfu zaman. What is it? Zarfu zaman. Sahi? Adverb of time. Mulawwanun. Mulawwanun. What is the meaning? Colored. Asirul. Asirul. What is asirul, brother and sister? Juice, yes. Burtuqalun. Sabahun. What is it, brother? Morning. No, in order to be zarf, it has to be sabahan. So it's morning, Kuratul qadami. Kuratul qadami. Fine. Soccer. Yes. And Kuratus sallati. Basketball. Nisfun. Masha. Mashallah. He walked. Brother, Masha, come to Hunna with Masha. Mashaina. After Mashaina, Mashaita, Mashaituma, Mashaitum, Mashaiti, Mashaituma, Mashaitunna, Mashaitu, Mashaina. So remember that, okay, brother? Akhaza. Can we say Akhaza in Madi quickly? Akhaza, Akhaza, Akhazu, Akhazat, Akhazata, Akhazna. Akhasta, akhastuma, akhastum, akhasti, akhastuma, akhastunna, akhastu, akhazna. Huwa, hiya, ana, akhastu. Anta, akhasta. Nahnu, akhazna. Anti, akhasti. Hum, akhazu. Hunna, akhazna. Antum, akhastum. Antunna, akhastunna. Very good. Wada'a. He placed. Ready? Can we do quickly? Wada'a, wada'a, wada'u, wada'at, wada'ata, wada'na, wada'ta, wada'tuma, wada'tum, wada'ti, wada'tuma, wada'tunna, wada'tu, wada'na. He, wada. She, I, wada'tu. You masculine, you feminine, wada'ti. We, wada'na. Got the idea, brother? Inshallah. Next one. Wajada. Brother, once you know one, you know all. Wajada, wajada, wajadu, wajadat, wajadata, wajadna, wajatta, wajattuma, wajattum, wajatti, wajattuma, wajattunna, wajattu, wajadna. Huwa, hiya, anta, wajatta, ana, wajattu, anti, wajatti, nahnu, wajadna, antum, wajadtum, hum, wajadu, hunna, wajadna. Inshallah, you'll keep it in mind, brother. Bahtha an. So an has to come with bahsa. He searched for something or about something. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine.